Things to know about working with licensed contractors that does work on your small apartments. Hey, Cordell Davenport here, Small Apartment Investors. Check out the website, smalapartmentinvestors.com. Locate tips, tricks I have on buying and managing apartments is on that website. And this video, I'm going to talk about things to know about working with licensed contractors that does work on your small apartment. Before a bid is accepted, and certainly before a contract is signed, references should be checked. References should be for work done locally so that you may also visually inspect the work. You may also want to check with a Better Business Bureau to learn if any complaints have been filed against that particular contractor you're working with. Now, when it comes to a contract, it should contain the starting and completion dates, a remedies and cancellation clause, a hold harmless clause, the scope and nature of the work to be performed, outlining the detailed specifications, proof of workers' compensation, and proof of comprehensive general liability insurance, total cost of work, a payment schedule outlining retaining fees, list of subcontractors, if any, being used on the project, performance penalties, if applicable, time contractor will work in the morning and in the evening, required cleanup and frequency, retainage fee. A retainage fee is a percentage of the contractor's payment, usually about 10%, and that is held by the property or the management company for a specific time period, usually about 30 days after the job is completed. And the purpose is to guarantee the completion of the work and cover any defects in the workmanship. And one way to reduce risk is by having requirements that you include in the contract, like a lien waiver. And a waiver of a lien is a signed and notarized document that waives or surrenders all claims against the property or the management company from the contractor, their employees, subcontractors, and any type of material suppliers. It is very possible that a lawsuit or lien or legal claim could be filed against an apartment community by a vendor or a subcontractor for non-payment. And even though the community, which is your apartment building that you own, the property, has paid the contractor in full, but had not received a lien waiver. Requiring lien waivers from subcontractors working for the GC, the general contractor, is a good practice to implement. And contractors are required to provide proof of insurance for liability and workers' compensation insurance for their employees. And the purpose is to prevent injury claims against the property and protect against property damage caused by negligence that the contractor may have done. And if a contractor cannot provide adequate insurance, the work should be contracted to another company, plain and simple, that can provide that type of coverage. That's it for this video. Be on the lookout for more.